Hello, I'm Holly for those of you that have not watched my videos yet. And I'm officially 1 week post-op from my right hip arthroscopy surgery that fixed my labral tear and cam type impingement. So if that applies to you, you will know what I'm talking about. I'm actually going to post, I have a list like after surgery notes now in my online my chart if you use that, but it has everything that they actually did in the procedure in medical terms. I screenshotted that and I'm going to put that at the end of this video just so if you're a medical person or you can maybe see if that sounds like what your doctor was talking about and that's what I had done. So anyways, I'll put that at the end of the video. I'm not going to try to pronounce all of the medical terms because that would just be embarrassing. So we'll just put that at the end. But anyways, I don't have a ton to update on today. It should be a pretty short video. Like I said, I'm 1 week post-op. I actually started my physical therapy on Monday was my first appointment. I guess my surgery was Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So about 5 days after surgery, I started physical therapy. It went super well. My physical therapist was actually really impressed with how well that I was moving. He thought that I would be in a lot more pain than I was in, so that's awesome. He did let me know that I know that the surgeon had said that it was a larger surgery or worse than she had originally anticipated. He told me that typically these tears that they put in 3 anchors, and mine actually had 5 anchors. She was in there a lot longer. They took away quite a bit of bone. That cam, mine's a cam type. That's what I know. It's basically like the bone is supposed to be shaped like this, and mine was shaped like this. So basically, they just shaved down that side, which is awesome that they were able to do that. He said because of that, I may be on crutches a little bit longer just because that area in my hip is going to be prone to a little bit more stress fracture possibility. So just to be on the safe side, but I'm still on the crutches, 20% weight bearing as of now. I think we did probably like 10 different exercises. I haven't really taped myself doing them yet, but I did get this app that all of the exercises are on, and I'll go ahead and screenshot that too and put the exercises. Isn't going to show the video or anything, but it has the name and like a picture of what they're having me do for the first week and a half. I mean, they're pretty easy as you can imagine. I'm not moving around too much yet with especially only 20% weight bearing, but I'll go ahead and put those in at the end. Yeah, overall it was great. I'm just hanging out still. Pain, I'm not taking anything for pain anymore. Feeling good. It's more just constantly needing help. Still can't obviously put on socks, put on shoes, carry things with my crutches at all. So even getting meals is hard. If you have a dog, with my dog, it's really difficult because he wants to jump on me or go outside and I can't do that. So still definitely it has been awesome to have the help that I have. So make sure you have somebody that's able to be with you or at least get you all situated like before they leave for work or whatever. He did say I'll for sure be on crutches for like 3 to 4 weeks. Hopefully next time I go to PT is it's actually a week from today. I go back. And he said I'll be able to do more weight bearing then. So I'll do an update probably next week. I'm probably just going to start doing weekly updates because not much is changing. Obviously, I can't go into water or anything. They said that's going to be around 4 weeks. I have my post-op actually before physical therapy next week. So I'll see the surgeon again and she will be taking out my stitches, which I'm excited about. They definitely start to get a little bit itchy just with the healing in there. I think that's normal. My sutures still look really good. I just have them covered in large Band-Aids. Still the most comfortable, like in baggy shorts or sweatpants. For all you ladies, you're definitely not going to be wearing leggings for a while. It's too tight on your leg. yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We'll add a little bit at the end, but make sure if you do have questions, comment. You can email me. And obviously keep in mind, like I put in the description of every single video, this is just my own personal experience. Make sure you just listen to your doctor. I'm not a doctor. This is my journey. So hope you have a great day.
We'll have a house party. We don't need nobody. Turn your TV off. Break that boombox out. We'll wake up all the neighbors.
First day of PT. Got tested for COVID again. Not tested, but temperature. Pushing through my wheelchair. It's like a mile long walk. So here we go. First day.